Nice tree. It was nice. It looks a little spacey now, and that is because the neighbor over there behind our shed has an in-ground pool. And he decided to trim our tree without asking. Tell me what a shame that is. So, I'm going to walk over here. We take care of everything. We've had the trim treed in other years. There's another tree, but he's not going to trim that because that's not in his backyard. But that's what ours used to look like. And here's the guy's house. He is the one who decided to take it upon himself and trim our tree. After we allowed him last year to do it, he came back on his own and decided it wasn't enough. We came home yesterday and half of our tree is gone. Very disturbing.